Welcome guys, today I am with Metz TV and I'm gonna show you how you can change the brightness level of your screen. So first we have to simply open the settings. You will find the settings on the right upper corner. Next we have to scroll down to the device preferences, and right now just go below for the picture mode. And we have to go for the brightness, and here we can adjust this option, and you will not spot any difference on the menu, but you will find the change when you open video. So take a look. I just set up the 100 value of the brightness, and when I'm gonna back and open any video, like for example on YouTube, there will be definitely big change. So take a look, and for example I can get like maybe this one. Okay, and right now that's definitely big change for the screen. So it works only on the videos. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.